Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the hottest gadgets and home upgrades. And today, we've got a showstopper, the Enga Dual Rain Shower Head System. Hands down, this is the best bath shower with music, not literally music, but the kind of luxurious, immersive experience that will make your bathroom feel like a spa soundtrack come to life. Let's dive in. Let's start with the star of the show, the 14 by 20-inch LED ceiling-mounted showerhead. It's massive, it's sleek, and it's designed to make every shower feel like standing beneath a tropical rainstorm. But here's the real magic. It's a two-in-one system with dual functions, rainfall and waterfall. So you can switch between a gentle downpour or a cascading sheet of water with the twist of a knob. The LED lights embedded in the showerhead add a glowing ambiance that transforms your bathroom into a modern sanctuary. Whether you're waking up in the morning or winding down after a long day, this lighting element adds mood, style, and a touch of futuristic luxury. And no, you don't need to worry about batteries for the LED. It runs on AC power, with the controller using AAA lithium batteries to manage the LED modes. Just a heads up though, the batteries aren't included. Now let's talk about the additional 6-inch wall-mounted tilted rainfall showerhead. Don't underestimate its size. This little powerhouse features a new 4-hole silicone nozzle design. Instead of just one stream per nozzle, each now shoots out 4 smooth streams of water. The result? A fuller, softer, and more invigorating shower experience that feels like a massage. Plus, with 360-degree rotation, you can easily direct the flow to hit just the right spot. Switching between all these shower functions is simple thanks to the 4-way valve with intuitive faceplate markings. You can effortlessly toggle between rainfall, waterfall, tilted rainfall, and the handheld spray with a dedicated knob. And it's not just about options, it's about safety too. This shower system comes with a pressure balance cartridge and built-in check valve, which keeps the water temperature consistent and protects you from sudden bursts of hot or cold. Whether someone flushes the toilet or turns on a tap elsewhere in the house, your shower temperature stays exactly where you want it. That's peace of mind built in. Durability-wise, you're getting premium materials. The main components are crafted from brass and stainless steel with a matte black finish that not only looks high-end but also resists wear and corrosion. And for installation, it uses US standard connections, so compatibility won't be an issue. Enga backs this system with a 5-year warranty, a bold promise that speaks volumes about its quality. It's clear they've thought of everything, from functionality to longevity. In a world full of ordinary showers, the Enga Dual Rain Shower Head System stands out. It's not just a faucet, it's a transformation. A daily ritual turned into a luxurious escape. If you're planning a bathroom remodel or just want to level up your everyday routine, this system is worth every penny. With its spacious design, customizable water outputs, LED ambiance, and upgraded nozzles, you'll look forward to every shower. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an upgrade. Let us know in the comments, would you go for the waterfall or the tilted rainfall first? Until next time, stay clean, stay cool, and stay curious.